are you getting ready to go on vacation and you do not know how to set your eBay store to vacation mode?
Vacations are one of your favorites.
I love vacations. So we definitely know how to set it to vacation mode, and we're gonna walk you through the steps. We're Rob and Melissa with Flea Market Flipper, and this is what we do for a living, is flip stuff to make money.
So we can go on vacation.
That's right.
So going on vacation mode allows you to delay shipping, basically. So you won't have buyers that expect your item in 2 days or 1 day because your store's on vacation mode. So if they buy something on this day, they know it's gonna be a week till you're back and then it'll be shipped out. So
nobody likes upset buyers. They give you negative feedback. They're upset about stuff. Check it out. You do not want that. You want to know how to get it on vacation mode so they have the proper expectations for shipping when you get back from vacation and you can actually ship it out. So
let's dive in on how to do it.
Let's do it.
All right. So when you have a store that you want to put on a vacation mode, we need to find vacation mode. And sometimes finding things in the eBay Seller Hub are kind of annoying. So you get going roundabout and all these different links. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign into your account. We're going to come to My eBay and click on Messages, and directly on the right, change settings. And you're going to scroll down to vacation settings. So that was just Messages. Then you come to settings, change settings, and then vacation settings. You're going to turn it on. So this will allow anybody, say you're going on vacation for a week, you can set it for a week, and then when you come back, your listings will be turned back on. You can turn vacation mode off. So we'll come right here, but people can expect you to be back by a certain date because you can show them right here when you're going to be back. And you can set up a message. Hey, I'm on vacation. We'll get back to you as soon as we get back. Whatever, we value you as a customer. So however you want to word that, just as your away message, we'll get it shipped out as soon as we're back in the office. And then you can show people the date you'll be back. So we could say we'll say a week for just now. And then messages can always move to your inbox to archive. You can do that for 1 month and then hit apply so that we can turn it on. So that is it for the vacation mode. And make sure you turn it off vacation mode when you get back. It'll still show that you should be back by that date. So people will see that, but it can affect your the algorithms if you're on vacation mode. So make sure you turn it off when you get back. We usually turn it off like a day before we get back, or 2 days if we have 2 day or 3 day handling time on our stuff. So just know you can turn it right back on. But this is very helpful with your store, because if you're going on vacation, then people can still buy your items, but they know that they're not going to be shipped out to them for a week or so, or however long you're gone. So hope that helps.